Hey there, today we're going to look at how to download and install Anaconda Python in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, just Google Anaconda. Over here, you'll see the official link, click it. Then at the top, select the free download. Over here, click Skip Registration. After that, scroll down to the distribution installers. Then select Windows. Over here, the file is about 900 MB, so just click Download. The download will start, just be patient. Once the download is complete, open it. Then the Anaconda setup will appear. Click Next. Over here, read the agreement and click I agree. Then click Install. After that, select the installation location. I recommend using local disk D or E because it takes a lot of space. Over here, click Next with default settings. Then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Next. Over here, click Next again. Then select Launch and uncheck the other option. Click Finish. After that, the interface will open. Over here, you'll see applications like PitchArm. If you want Anaconda Navigator, you can install it. By default, Jupyter Notebook comes installed. Then, to use Jupyter Notebook, click Launch. Over here, go to New and select Python. Then you'll get the IPN file. Over here, you can run any Python code. For example, print hello and run. You'll see the output. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.